Well, it is pretty windy. Jeez. There's a fish. Finally. Jeez. Oh, it's a little guy. He's so small, but I will take that. Oh man. Took me like almost an hour. Well, the Ned rig usually will catch small fish, so thanks, dude. Oh, he's a little bigger. On the Ned rig again. He's a little bit bigger than the last one. There's a fish. Barely blew up on it. Whoa! Holy shit. Damn, dude. Wow. Alright. Finally, decent fish. It's probably like a 2-pounder, maybe 2 1/4. Pretty fat. Awesome. That feels good. Topwater buzzbait. See you later. Man, these little guys. Oh, hello. Oh, jeez, jeez. Alright, alright. Alright. Little guy. What the hell? Jeez. Crazy. There we go, there's a fish. Whoa. Came right off. Jeez. That was a little guy. But that was cool. Didn't take long with the spinner bait. Nothing huge, but pretty good one. Come here. Ah, nice. On the top water. Buzz toad. Another good fish. Probably 2.5 pounds. Oh, that was freaking awesome, man. That topwater blow up. I don't know if you guys heard or saw that on the camera, but whew, sweet. Alright guys, that is gonna be it. As you can see, the weather is a lot different now. It's freaking cold and it's rainy, it's miserable, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. So I filmed that video about a week ago. I just haven't been able to really pick up the camera. I've been pretty busy, so I'm just doing the outro now. And I will say I do want to pay attention more to my camera angle, because I noticed that some of the shots in there were just like pointing downwards and you couldn't really see anything going on the water. So I'm definitely gonna pay attention to that more now, and make sure that the angles are good when I'm recording. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and subscribe, like for me, please. But I'm cold, I'm done, I'm signing out. Peace.